how to send document for e-signature in PandaDoc. In this video, I'll show you how to send document for e-signature in PandaDoc. So to get started, go ahead and open PandaDoc and then go ahead and open a document or create a document on PandaDoc. So for me, I want to create a document using a template on PandaDoc. So simply select a template and then add the recipient of this specific file. So you can go ahead and type in here their email or their name if you are friends with them on PandaDoc, and then click on continue, which you'll find at the bottom right of this pop-up, and that will take you to your canvas. So once you're on your canvas, you can go ahead and proceed on customizing your document. So go ahead and add all of the required fields into this section. Now, once you're done, go ahead and click on the send button at the top right of your screen and then select email or text if you prefer that. You can also send it via link. So make sure to continue this, and this would be sent to that specific recipient that you've entered before you edited this template. And that is how you can basically send document for e-signature in PandaDoc. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.